Hello and welcome to another YouTube edition of our scholarship video series where we talk about scholarship for international students. In this video, we will take a look at the Mandela Rhodes Scholarship, which is open to Africans or students who is looking for opportunity to study in South Africa. If this is the first time of coming across our video, do ensure you like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you can receive subsequent videos like this, and also share the scholarship with your friends. So we'll take a look at the scholarship opportunities available to Africans who want to study in South Africa, as this scholarship is open for full financial support with leadership program that will challenge you to grow and connect you with other change makers like you. So just like you can see on your screen, you can change this to either French or Portuguese language, or you can also change it to the Arabic language using these links here. So we go to the main details of this scholarship. This scholarship is open to those seeking to study for a master's degree program in any of the accredited universities in South Africa. So the program is towards leadership development and is built on founding principles of recognition, education, and entrepreneurship and leadership, and with the belief that the leadership begins with the inner transformation. This is as a result of this scholarship is in recognition of Mandela's legacy to keep it alive and equip young African leaders with the competence and courage to transform the continent into a place where everyone has equal opportunity to thrive. Financial support for this scholarship offers a full funding, which will cover the tuition for 1 year if it is a 1-year degree program, or a 2-year master's degree program in any field at a recognized South African institution of higher education. It will also cover the registration fee, allowance to study for study materials and research and medical aids. We have the accommodation and meals, then the personal allowance and economic class travel to and from your home country to South Africa University from the beginning to the end of the program. So first thing first is that the scholarship program wants to know if you are qualified for the program. So the first thing here is if you can study for a postgraduate level in English. So you are required to take this test, which is free. As you can see, it's a free online English test for everyone to test their English knowledge, and it comprises of 60 questions, which is a maximum of 60 minutes, and you can as well get the results as early as possible after the completion of the test. So the English level format is 1 to 20 questions from 21 to 40, and then 41 to 60. So this is how it is being graded. And then we have the single choice, the multiple choice, and the write the answer, which is filling the boxes choice. So the results and certificate. Our free online test is an indicator of your English level, and you receive your results immediately after completion. Get your English proficiency certification. Now, all you need to do is, once you click on the start your test, to be redirect you to this page whereby you can begin to answer the questions and then receive the result after the completion of the questions, just for you to get the requirement for the postgraduate level. And you must be a citizen of African country. You must be aged between 19 and 29 as indicated, and then by January 1st, 2026, you have completed an undergraduate degree with an excellent academic record with either 70 and above, yes, 70 or upper second class honors. So either first class or second class honors are welcome. So this is an opportunity for African students in any country, in any of the African countries, to apply for this scholarship. So once you select all the options here, you click on continue, which it will ask you further question to be ethical leader, and you are committed to using your talent. So you also select, so to see the results, it will tell you are eligible to apply. So you click on see how to apply, but I will drop the link of this web page in the description of this video, so do well to apply for the scholarship, and then you might be one of the selected candidates to participate in a fully funded master's scholarship in any of the South African university of your choice. So these are the important information you need to know. So how it is being selected is based on the leadership qualities, the education qualification, the recognition, and the entrepreneurship skills you have. So these are the selection criteria. These are the frequent questions and answers. So you can read all these on your own, and then all you need to do is how to apply. So to apply, you need to click on this. But step 1 is for you to check the timeline. As the timeline indicates here, is applications are open, then the application will close by this date, and then June you will be notified, and then July you will be notified at the end of July whether you are whether you or you are not through to the round 3. For June you will be notified to go to the round 2. For July you will be notified to go to the round 3, and August you will be notified to for an interview for the final round. While October interview will be conducted in South Africa in October. In October, interviews will be conducted in South Africa, and then October to December, selected Rhodes scholars must do their best to secure acceptance at their university of choice, and the study visa to travel to South Africa in January. So the requirement for the step 2 requirement is just agree to the participation, respect the condition of tenure, and then your feedback is important. So you read the full terms and conditions here, then get your documents ready for this, which is the last step. Make sure that all these documents are ready. You need the recommenders or recommendation letter of recommendation, which should be in English. Then you have the you need your documentation, all your certificates, degree transcripts from academic results, a scan of your IDs and passports. Then your documents and transcripts must be provided in English. You need an essay. You will be asked to write 2 short essays, one for your personal journey and the other one for your specific question relating to our principles. So you are to read the principles which is indicated in the program requirement. The application for the university, you'll be asked to fill in your proposed course of study on your application. We do not require proof that you have applied, but we recommend that you apply as soon as possible. To be more, you can apply to more than one university. So do your qualification meet, and if your Do your communication meet the requirement of your proposed study abroad? Each country has its own framework for registering and the rating qualification levels. So once you go through this and then you meet the requirements and you are ready, then you click on the apply now to access the registration link. Then meanwhile, take note of the deadline, which is April 21st in this year. So while we await all you need to do here is to click on register, and then you start with filling your application. So start by entering your email, password, confirm your name, official name, first name and official last name. Your country code, which is optional, you can include it, and then your phone number, and you begin with your registration. Thank you for watching up to the end of this video. See you in our next one.